You like it?
I like it better like this than with the cabbage.
With the cabbage?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mahal ba? Ganiyan, medyo ko panampit. Ano ba?
Like super hot, babe. Mmm. That's good. What is that? It's still available. Oh my god. They still want to know if we have.
My God, the bihon is good with it. You eat it with rice, no?
We are good. Happy birthday.
Today is my birthday, huh? Is that a comment?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God!
It's a scammer.
What you say something?
It is. He come and he asked the same thing before. Just go to YouTube and then you type it in and it's gonna show you.
Oh my God, same comment.
You need to go and ask your mom and she was gonna teach you. We don't have birthday party balloons. We are poor. No plastic bags here in the Philippines. Only paper. Not even paper. There's no bags here. Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
I'm full already.
You're full. Good thing I can handle a little more.